Guys, we received something over from our friends from Elevoc, and this time around it's the Elevoc Clear. And this is a very nice, as it says, it's voice on, noise off. And yeah, I would really like to try this out, especially when you're in vicinity that are quite noisy. And you like to enjoy those music inside your ears. And right now, let's pop it out and open the box. So hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So right now we have here this Elevoc Clear. So based on what the box says, that it has marked hybrid active noise cancellation, which is of course that one that we're looking for, especially when you're in the crowd that is quite noisy and you cannot hear anything from the your buds or headphones. I think this one might be the solution to that problem. And it also has ENC powered by Voc Plus AI audio. And of course, it has extra clear calls with 6 mics inside and 2 voice accelerometers, which means that crystal clear voice with on the other side of the person that you're talking with. Definitely, it should be a lot clearer compared to other buds. So it also has 30 hours of playback time together with its case, of course. So right now, we're going to open this one. Yeah, it has 12 months of warranty based on this warranty card. We have your user guide. We've got a lot of spare buds over here. Don't forget the charging cable. And we have here the clamshell, which says Elevoc, okay? It's a matte case together with a silver emblem over here, silver lining or silver border, whatever you call it. It's really nice. The colors is just stunning. Just simple but stunning. So underneath we have the pair button, the USB Type-C port, and your 4 LED lights. Inside, we have this buds, and of course right now we'll be pulling it out and see how it looks like. It's really nice. You can see, yeah, it's ergonomically done to fit our ears. And this is the charging pins. So right now we're going to put it on our ears and try to pair it to our phone and see how good it goes. Okay, so yeah, this one is the left bud. So we put it here. So connecting it to our phone, I can see that right now I'm playing some music from Maroon 5 and it's really nice. The sound is clear. And a while ago, while I was inside the market, I was trying to test this out since the market, there's a lot of noisy people in there, I know. So yeah, I did try it, and I can feel that the noise is a lot lesser compared to other buds that I've tried in this channel, of course. And the sound is clear. And what I can see that the treble and the bass is very nice and it's very balanced. Not toward the very low bass and not toward the high treble here, but it's very balanced. And what I can say that the sound is not muddy, it's clear, it's crisp. You can really enjoy it with these buds. So I also tried playing some games over with these buds, and I can say that it's very low latency. So therefore, I did not feel any drop while playing the game Call of Duty. It's really nice. I can say that, and I can really feel that this buds is good when you're traveling a lot. That's probably the selling point of this buds, since the noisy part, the noisy environment is mostly outside of your house. So yeah, if you're somebody who travels a lot, who goes out a lot, and of course you go to places for meetings, you go to places for, of course, engagement with other people, to conferences, I think this one might be your solution to those noisy environment, especially when you're having some Zoom meetings, of course, or chat with your important clients. I believe that this one is good, since I've tried this one on Zoom, and yeah, I tried to ask the other party who's receiving my call. They said that yeah, the sound is nice, it's clear, but of course sometimes when it's dropping, it's not the problem of these buds, but it's the problem of your internet. Now guys, do I recommend these buds, the Elevoc Clear? Yes, I do highly recommend these buds. And I can say that these buds is really something that you might really want to enjoy and invest when you are traveling a lot. Now, if you want to know where you can buy this one, I'll drop it on the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here from my channel. So I'm Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?